gotta pull the screen out. And I gotta pull the little handle off of here. And then go up. And then coordinate between the two of them. Get it back on that shield.
Now, do you wanna...
I need a screwdriver. Everybody, what do I do?
Do you wanna wait and see?
See what? See what?
If he brings me a rooftop air conditioner, you're gonna have to take that out.
See what?
If he brings me a rooftop air conditioner, you're gonna have to take that out.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to dig a fucking hole and hold on here and see.
Oh, well then I don't want a rooftop air
I'm gonna have to
conditioner.
rip the roof out. I'm gonna get.
Because I actually saw that there's one that goes in your cigarette lighter
Yeah.
and it air conditions your car.
Okay.
And I was thinking maybe I might get that since I got a cigarette lighter in here.
Well, you got everything in here. You could.
So I could put a little, you know, I could.
Yeah. See, hold on to this because there's all kinds of dirt.
I hate how this leans though.
What?
This little house.
Well, yeah.
Well, it's hard for me because my back hurts anyway all the time.
Well, I'm aware.
So when it leans, it more.
I haven't had a chance to freaking handle it yet.
Honey, you can't put that on my equipment.
Well,
Your little camera.
why?
Because I'm using this.
I'm gonna be done in a second, but I gotta get the.
All right, well.
I'm gonna give you a present here. You're gonna have to get vacuum cleaner back out here.
That should work.
You want the dirt?
No, I don't. Put it outside. Don't put it inside. Oh. I bet this ain't gonna be that easy though.
Okay. Get two little screws. Two little screws holding the screen up there. And you got a screw holding the handle. So now
I gotta figure out how to do that.
gotta pull these screws out so you can drop that down.
I don't know.
Okay.
Well, I got so many things to do. I could just do something else.
Look at dropping the screws.
Except I'd like to put these up. Maybe I'll do that.
And I'm just gonna leave that.
I can't believe I did it.
I'm just gonna leave that hanging. I know, now you're gonna destroy it by putting screws in it.
No, I meant this.
Up we go.
I push it.
That's what I'm saying. Oh, you ain't done the backs yet?
I did the backs. They're right here.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. So now, got that. That's loose. I can put the top back in here. I can put it in here, like so. Oh, wait a minute. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Okay. Let that hang for a minute. Okay. There we go. Let's slide this in. Like we did a while ago. There we go. Beautiful. Now I'm going to go ahead and crunch those. So now I know It's not going to slide. Just crunch it a little bit, just enough to keep it from going anywhere. To the other side, same thing. Okay, that keeps it. That'll keep it from going back and forth. Now I can take Mr. Crank here. Huh. What the heck happened to that? Look. See, I got bent. I'm gonna take this up. Take this to the garage. I'm gonna compress that. Huh. Yeah, that's something. Those are the screws. Somehow or other that got bent. I'm gonna go ahead and take that up garage, compress it, and I'm gonna spray it out, clean it, and put some grease in there. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna try and squeeze that back together. I don't exactly know what the hell happened. Alright, sweet. Good. Got it compressed. Got it compressed in. Gotta wax this, I think. Get it to pull together. I get that. Got it compressed back together. Now it's to lube it up really good. Okay. I got it lubed up pretty good. I'm put grease. Put some grease in there. Exactly. Know what happened. Okay. Yeah, let's mix that go. Small pair of vice grips, then I get it to go around. Don't want to screw up the splines on the insides, so it won't go into the handle. So I'm going all the way around. Straight up and down. Okay. Okay, so now what I would do, I'm gonna put some red grease on. Alright. Let's put a little bit of sticky red grease on that. Just gonna drag it right on in there. I put it at the beginning of the threads. Haha. Very nice. Okay, it's in there. Yep, that's in each one of the threads. Okay, so I haven't done up here. Alright, all cleaned up. Got a nice squeeze on that. Put those together. Okay, it's nice enough that I can actually do it by finger now. Alright, let's go put it back in the trailer.